Hello and welcome to the Video Creators Club YouTube channel. So our channel has been put together to give you hints, tips and advice on creating your own videos for your business. The Video Creators Club is all about helping people become productive to create their own content. The club consists of ongoing support from ourselves, a library of how to use video, a creators meeting every month where we also have a competition where people can win editing time, and also access to our courses. And our courses are creating videos using your mobile phone, creating course videos, basic editing, setting up a YouTube channel correctly, and using OBS, which is what I'm using now to create this video. So if you'd like to find out more, then feel free to get in touch, visit our website, give us a call or drop us an email, and we'd love to help you get started creating videos for your business.